Hello, my name is Om 010. Today, first, the Mitsubishi history. Mitsubishi was founded in 817 with Iwasaki Yataro in the Japan. It started as a shopping company and gradually expert into overseas industry such as manufacturing, engine, charge, and electric equipment. Today, the Mitsubishi Group operates in multiple centers, including automobile, heavy industry, in technology, and finance, silver,